Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm inside recording videos. I'm just like boom, boom, plugging them out, you know? Anyhow, this package is from Urbestdeals and I have a bunch of stuff here. They gave me a nice little budget to get some cool stuff to show you. So let's get into it. Let's roll with it. Did I not save a toolkit to show you what a toolkit looks like? I don't think I did. Hang on. I've got one sitting over here. All of these come with a little toolkit like this, okay? You got your tray, your wax, your pen. So there you go. All right, let's get to it. Look at how pretty, how pretty. Butterflies. How can you not love butterflies? And pretty flowers. Butterflies and flowers. How pretty. I love it. It's got 8 different drills. It's got some larger ones, some 7s, I see those. Some 8s are a little bit larger. I mean, we'll have to look at it and see what we get. The rest could all be rhinestones, but hey, I think it's pretty. What kind of flower do you think that is? An apple blossom? A cherry blossom? I don't know. Maybe one of those two? That'd be my guess. But let's see the drills. How pretty. I got quite a variety of things here, you guys. They're all really nice. I think you'll like all of them. I'll link them all below, okay? So we have green rhinestones, purple, a salmony color. Ooh, very, very pale pink. Of course, that makes complete sense for that picture. And a couple of other pinks. And then look at those. Those are cool. Those are an oval, faceted. Love those. And then we have some pink little round pearly little jobby-doos. Jobby-doos. Isn't that pretty though? I like it. I like that one. Super nice. Okay, let's move on. We got a whole stack to get to here. There is a whole stack of goodness here. Lots of flowers. Lots and lots of flowers. I guess I was in a flower frame of mind the day I did these. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's a stump with all these pretty flowers. Flowers at the bottom, down here, flowers up there. I love it. We got some marquees up here. We got some teardrops. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love it. It's got 9 different drills. Okay, let's look at the drills. I'm telling you guys, I mean, I'm pretty sure there was more than one variety for each of these. So check them out. I'm sure there were more than one variation of the butterfly, more than one stump picture, you know. And sometimes I have to just go and I'm like, I can't get all of them, although they're all very pretty, and I have to pick out my favorite. And sometimes I can't, so I get more than one. Anyhow, lime green, apricot, yellowy gold, brown, pretty purple, a blue. Okay, here's some of those teardrops. Love those. Pearly teardrops in purple. Some gold balls. And I love these. These are so pretty. These iridescent faceted marquees are always pretty. No matter what color these come in. Green, blue, red, they're always super pretty. I love those. All right. I like that one. Like it, like it. Those green are going to go all up here and make those leaves. The purples are kind of in here. I love it. Love it, love, love it. Okay. We got to keep moving. We got a lot. We got a lot to do here. This was one of those series of paintings that I have been collecting, like all of them. Like my sun shining in right there. I've been collecting all of these. At first, I thought I had repeated, but I didn't. I think this is the 3rd one I have gotten, and they have all been different. So it's just a fence with all these flowers growing up along the fence. It's like my dream world, like a beautiful little cottage garden with a little white picket fence out there. And yeah, that's my dream. Okay, look at all the specials in this. The B's, the A's, the C's. These are just peppered with special drills, okay? I love it. I don't know what kind of flowers those are. I have no idea. No idea. But they're very pretty. 7 different drills for that one. Notice so far they've all been 30 by 30 size, which is really about a 25 by 25. I love this. This has a complete colored background, no white background on that one at all because of the fence. I love this, right? Like I said, I think it's my third fence painting. I can't help it. It's flowers. You know me and flowers. Beautiful pink, a purple, a blue, a very light yellow, tealy green color, another pink, another green. And then we have some round faceted gold. Oh, see, I was just talking about them. There's the purple iridescent faceted marquees. Love them. These are not faceted. They're smooth pink. Look at those. Okay, those are banging, right? Those are wonderful. Where do those guys go? I don't know. We're going to have to look those up. I didn't notice anything that large on here. And red? Wait a minute. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, this is wrong. This is totally wrong. This only had 7 colors. This is 11. 12. Okay, have I mixed them up? 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 2. It's off 1. Oh, man. Okay, let me see. This was right, wasn't it? Okay, let's check over some things here. Let's see. 2, 2, 3, that's right. WQ 118, that one's right. I don't know. Let's set this one aside because those are the wrong drills. Maybe I have mixed them up. Let's see. Let's keep going. Let's check all these carefully. I mean, it's only one off. Maybe that was a them issue. Nope, this one's right. Okay, so we have this pretty colorful owl. I love that owl. That owl's pretty. Look at all the colorful flowers around the owl. And then just colored feathers and everything. This one's got 12 different drills. I'm certain they're going to be all kinds of beautiful colors, right? Yeah, that one just could be a mistake in the drills. I'll have to let them know that I have the wrong drills. And that makes me concerned because these types of things are all packaged up at a factory and then shipped off to the different stores. And so they may all be wrong. I don't know. All right, here's a yellow gold, a green, a blue, a couple of purples, another blue, another green, an orange, and a pink. And we have yellow pearls and pink pearls and blue pearls. Love it. Okay, that one's super pretty. Yeah, I will have to contact them and say, hey, I'll even make sure I send them a picture of like the numbers, you know, show them that the numbers of the drill and the kit are not matching. Okay, I don't normally mess them up, but it happens sometimes. Okay, another truck. I'm into the trucks with the flowers. This one is like a old kind of rustier truck. I mean, and then look at all these pedals or special drills. Super cool. I love it. This one's got 17 different drills. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, 17 different. Well, let's look at them and see what they are. I think this one will be pretty cool. Okay, look at these 12s right here. Like, do we have some rectangles? I mean, it looks like we do. I don't know. Huh. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? Okay, here we go. We have got clear rhinestones, green, blue, a gray, regular black drills, a peach, a brown, a very pale yellow. That's all the rhinestones. The rest of this is specials. Okay, you ready? Wow, I've never had those. I have never had those. Those are a clear, smooth pearl. I've never had one of these in a clear. That is pretty cool. So then we have some brown, which have facets. A larger brown with facets. Okay, there they are. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Why are there so many? Where else can they possibly go? I don't know. I'm looking at that picture right now, and I only see those 2. right there. And they're pink. There's 2. I don't see any others. Did they really just give us that many for 2? I think they did. I'm saving those puppies. I don't know what for, but I'm saving them. They're cool. I love those. They're faceted and beveled edge. I love those. Oh, look at that. I've never had that color either. I'm so sorry. Wonk, 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 wonk. That's like a peachy pearl. And red. And here's our sunflower petals. And then we have some small orange. And then look at these. I've never had these before either. Okay, this has got some unique stuff in it. This is cool. I like it. I like this one a lot. Okay, that's cool. I like it. Wow. All right, let's set that one to the side. That's got some neat stuff in it. I love it when you find unique drills that you haven't seen before, you know? Sorry, I got a hair on that one. All right. I don't know what this is supposed to be other than a flower arrangement with feathers coming out of it and stuff, right? It's just got stuff coming out of this floral arrangement. This almost looks like some sort of a gear or something. I don't know. It was just different and cool and unique. Do I have the right drills for it? 155. Yes, I do. Okay. I've got the correct drills. Yeah, I'm down to one more painting and it's got the correct drills. So that one over there, unfortunately, that pretty fence with the flowers just has the wrong set of drills. It's off by 1. So I'll let your best deals know and see if they can rectify that situation. I don't know what color to call that. So I'm not going to call it anything. Pinks, purple, green, orange, blue. Then we have faceted gold, the smooth pink. Those are pretty. Teardrops. And here's some of those. Oh, green is one of the best colors when they do this iridescent marquee. Green and the red are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so there's that one. Okay, got one left, like I said. One left. And I love it. This is when I sneak peeked this one a little bit. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. I have not seen a horse, like a beautiful horse, really, in special drills like this. It's lovely. I love that horse. It's gorgeous. Look at the flowing mane, forelock, and then it's just got this whole thing of flowers coming down through its mane. It's gorgeous. It's only got 6 different types of drills, but this, like I said, this is when I peeked at to see what company this was, and I've seen the drills already. I was like, oh, I did that. I went, oh, you'll love these. You will love these. Are you ready? There's only 6 of them, but boy, did they make it worth it. They made it worth it. Okay, so we have clear rhinestones. This is like a grayish rhinestone. We have some blue. And we have these little stars in a clear, like silvery, they're silver. Okay, those are super pretty. We have these beautiful green. I told you, the greens and the iridescent marquees, super pretty. Are you ready for this? Wow, right? Aren't they lovely? They're bumpy. Okay, you can feel the bumps on them. They're going to go in all of these flower petals up here. Aren't those something else? I love those. I've had these a few times. I love these. They're so cool. This one right here looks a little, I try to not use that one, you know. Pick out the really, really pretty ones. Some are like not as good as the others, but they're gorgeous. All right, so that's what I got, you guys. I told you it was flowers. Is it all flowers? Every single thing I got have to do with flowers. Well, we have an owl, but the owl even has flowers. It is. This was a flower day. Flowers, flowers. Even the butterfly has flowers. And then our poor little guy over here. How sad. Like I said, he is just off by one number. XD231, XD232. Wow. All right. I'll let them know and see if they can fix that. I hope that all the kits aren't wrong. Maybe that was just one got packed wrong. Who knows? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll link all these below. That's a lot of linking. I told you, I got a bunch of stuff from Your Best Deals. They're all great, too. Thanks for watching, everybody. And hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, come back, see more videos. And I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy. All right. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.